Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to send file on Messenger. So when you open your Messenger app on your Android device, as you can see right here, you can have the option that actually can send a file on this account. So if you want to send a file on Messenger, you need to use your laptop or your PC and open the Messenger app right there. Now, as you can see right here, I had opened my Messenger app on my laptop. So all you need to do is tap on the plus button right here, add media, and then you need to tap on add attachments right here. And then once you open the file manager, tap on the PDF file right here, and then you need to tap or click this open button right over here. And you will see the PDF file is sending now on this account. So click this send button and finally you send a file on Messenger. So that's how you basically send a file on Messenger, but you need to use your laptop or your computer if not available on your Android device. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.